in a Google Doc, you can put in check marks. But if you do it using just the checklist option, it's going to cause the words to be strike through once you click on that check mark. So if you would like to kind of get around that and use the check mark as just kind of like a tool for people to record their answers, you would first have to put in a table, and you would choose the number of boxes according to the number of check marks essentially that you need. So for this first question, let's say I want to do 5 check marks, and then you would make this 2 columns like this. My question says, how many check marks do you need? I'm going to do each row is going to be one of my answers. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything on the left-hand side of the table, and I'm going to choose this checklist. If you do not see it here at the top in your toolbar, you also can find it under bulleted list. So, oops, sorry, down at the bottom here, checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and choose checklist, and everything is going to show up here. The problem is I don't love this table. So what I'm going to do is highlight the table. I want to get rid of the lines. So with it highlighted, I'm going to go to Format, Table, and then Table Properties, where I'm going to choose Color. And I want to get rid of the table border. So I'm just going to make my table border white. And once I click out, now it looks like when I check mark this, it looks like I'm choosing 1. Or if I check mark this, it looks like 5. So one more time. So the second question, I just want 2 check marks here for a yes or no question. I'm going to go to Insert, Table. I'm going to choose 2 by 2. I'm going to move this center line over so my answers are closer to my check mark. I will put my answers essentially on the right side. Put the check marks from the checklist here. Again, it could be found under your bulleted list. And then I'm going to highlight the table, Format, Table, Table Properties, and change my table border to white. So now I can choose either yes or no, and it won't put a strike through those words. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.